Hello everyone, I've got this rusty door that got try and save. Can I save it using some basic stuff? I've got to give you a disclaimer, I am no professional, so this is just for those home DIYers to give you some encouragement that this can be done. So what I'm going to do first, well basically what I've done is I've taken a flathead and just scratched all the bubbled paint off, so there it is there. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some cure rust on there to convert this rust. And then once I've done that, I've got some grey primer and the proper colour code for this vehicle, which is the dark blue. So I'm going to do that afterwards. Technically I should fill all that in, but the thing isn't too bad, so I'll do that now. Okay, so I've given the whole door where it's rusty some healthy amount of cure rust, and now I have to wait a couple of hours, see how it changes colour. It should change colour, it already is. And then I'm going to give it a second coat of cure rust, and after that we'll get on with the primer. Okay, so it's the next day. I've had to do two coats of the rusties, and it's worked, as you can see. So now I'm preparing it, so it's just started. And again, as you know, I like to rummage through my recycling bin, so I've taken some paper out of the recycling bin and I'm just gonna prepare this for paint. So I've taken whatever little bits and pieces I have in the recycling bin, and I've taped around the relevant areas. And here, as you can see from the grey, I've just given a light misting of primer, so just one coat. So I'm going to do another 2 coats of primer on there, and then let it dry, wait about an hour, and then do the first coat of paint. Okay, so I've done 3 layers of primer, and now I've just done a light coat of blue, paint matching there. So I'll let this dry. So my son says to have some pizza, so I'll go have some pizza and then come back and do another 2 coats and then clear coat.
Daddy, I'm a sea cat. I'm a sea cat and you are sea cat. Let's run around, Diane. And let's go next door. Oh no, please. Uncle, I want to go in the car. No. Uncle's recording this. No. Cover your mouth.
So after about 4 coats actually of paint, lacquer, it's come out quite well. Obviously it's not perfect, and I haven't done the filler job to totally smoothen out where the rust bubbles were, but at least I've done the treatment on it so it won't get any worse, and protected it now with relevant primer and paint. So I hope you like that, everyone. Do like and subscribe.